Hello and welcome to Sarah's Delights. Today I'm going to be showing you how to make dal fry. Here is the list of ingredients. Two cups of lentils, washed and ready for use. I'm heating up a pan with about 2 tablespoons of oil. Next I'm going to add in 1 sliced large onion and fry for a minute or so. Next I'm going to add 1 teaspoon of salt, half a teaspoon of turmeric powder, quarter teaspoon of coriander and cumin powder, quarter teaspoon of chili powder. You can adjust all these according to your taste, and 2 teaspoons of tinned tomatoes to add to the colour. Okay, now I'm going to add the lentils to this and fry for about 2 minutes. Stir and fry the lentils for about 2 minutes and then have some water boiled ready to pour into it. Stir it again. And now pour in the water. Water should be enough to cover the top of all the lentils. Stir and mix everything in. Bring to a boil on high heat and then cover and cook for about 30 minutes on medium to low heat. Uncover after about 30 minutes and give it a little stir to check if all the lentils are cooked. Using a whisk, gently whisk around the pan. Leave the pan uncovered and let it cook on medium heat, and meanwhile in a smaller frying pan we're going to temper the lentils with cumin seeds, pach puran, which is a mixture of seeds, and about 3 cloves of garlic sliced. I put in the garlic first, wait till that's a little brown and then add in the rest. I've added the other spices and giving it a little stir, and wait till it becomes a little golden brown and then we can add it to the lentil dal. It's ready to go in. All done. And then a little bit of coriander on top and a little stir, lovely and thick. And at this point you can check for salt and adjust it accordingly. Here is the dal fry ready to be served. It can be enjoyed with rice, parathas, naan, chapatis, or even bread. Thank you for watching. Please like, comment and subscribe. Look forward to seeing you in the next video. Bye.